Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many TCL TV owners face, the dreaded black screen. If your TV turns on, but there's no picture, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, let's make sure it's not something simple. Step 1. Check your connections. Ensure that all cables are securely plugged in and that your input source is correct. Sometimes, a loose HDMI cable or selecting the wrong input can cause the screen to go black. Unplug the HDMI cable and plug it back in firmly. Also, double-check the power cable and make sure it's securely connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. Then try a power cycle. This can often reset any temporary issues. Unplug your TV from the wall and wait for about 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and turn it on. If your TV still shows a black screen, let's move on to step 3. Test the backlight. Shine a flashlight at an angle on the screen while the TV is on. If you can see faint images, it means your TV's backlight might be the issue. Seeing faint images, this indicates that the LCD panel is working, but the backlight isn't. You might need professional repair for this, as it often involves replacing internal components. Step 4. Reset your TV to factory settings. This can resolve software issues. On your remote, press the home button, go to settings, select system, and then advanced system settings. Choose factory reset and follow the on-screen instructions. Keep in mind that a factory reset will erase all your settings and install apps, so you'll need to set those up again afterward. If none of these steps work, it might be time to contact TCL customer support or take your TV to a professional repair service. Sometimes hardware issues require expert attention. Conclusion. And there you have it. We hope these steps helped you fix your TCL TV black screen issue. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or additional tips, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.